Hello everyone and welcome to our CCNA Practice Lab course on my channel. In this course we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting, providing you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this field and also to pass the CCNA exam. I'm really excited to share this information with you and help you take your networking skills to the next level. For this course, we will use a packet tracer from Cisco and a pre-configured lab for this course, which you can download it from the link in description of this video. In this first episode, we will cover the lab on how to configure basic VLAN and router. So, here is a text of our task. So basically the number one is to set up VLAN 1, 10 and 20 regarding disk network subnets. Then we have the router, which last IP address in subnet should be router, so that will practically be the gateways for each VLANs. Then we have the address for the switch, and also we have to configure on the switch VLANs 10 and 20 for the PCs or hosts, and also the communication between the router and switch. And the last, when we finish the configuration, we will test ping between PC1 and PC2, and if everything is fine, we will have ping from the both sides. First, we will connect to router 1 command line interface. So we click on the router, go to the command line interface, click enter, and the first step is to go to the enable mode. So we enable, enter. The next step is to go to the configuration, so configuration terminal, and now we're in the configuration mode. Okay, so what we will do, this interface, gigabyte interface 000, we will create 3 sub interfaces for each VLANs. So how we will do it? We will enter interface gigabyte 000, and when you put point and then number of VLAN. So for the VLAN 1, and now we are in configuration of interface. So basically, because we will do with VLANs, we need to have the VLAN packets. So we will use encapsulation in .1q. Okay, so it will be you will be able to use trunk mode between router and switch. So we enter encapsulation .1q and then number 1, and usually we put, so 1 in VLAN has to be the native. Usually we put VLAN 1 to be native. Then we say, okay, for this sub interface you will have this address, so all devices in network in this VLAN will communicate with this gateway on this router. So it will be like 10.1.1.254, because in the text we had the last IP address in subnet. In this subnet it's this, so we put the mask and click enter. We can or put not shutdown and exit. So we will repeat this configuration for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So we can go like this, 10. Okay, put encapsulation. Sorry, my mistake. Like this. Then we put IP address 10.1.10.254, mask, now shutdown and exit. And now we will repeat that for 20. Enter. Encapsulation .120 and IP address 10.1.20.4. Okay, no shutdown, exit. And the last, we can see here its communication is red, so it means that some of this interface is shut down. So we will go to the interface, not so the main interface, and we will do just not shut down, and now this link is up. You can see it's now become green. And basically that is that about router configuration. So we have all our VLANs gateways defined. We defined this interface and sub interface, and now we can go to the switch configuration. So the same, we go to the command line, click enter, go enable configuration terminal, and first we will create VLANs. VLAN 1 exit, VLAN 10 exit, VLAN 20 exit. So now if you go to the back to the enable mode and go to the show VLAN, we can see now 1, 10, and this is default one. Okay, so basically now we will set up trunk mode for communication between switch and router, and access mode for the host device which is connected from each VLAN. So on the link here on the link, we need all VLANs to communicate between these on this cable, and on this we only want VLAN 10. So we will do it like this in the next step. We go interface, sorry, I need to back to configuration, interface UID 101. Okay, so basically that is this one, see, and enter. So switch port, we will say trunk encapsulation, the same encapsulation, sorry, it's the same one, and mode is trunk, enter, and now it's become up, go exit. Then we will configure other one. So this is, you can see this one, and this is the last one. So, and sorry, my mistake, gigabyte 102. Okay, so switch port, access, VLAN, and we say it's VLAN 10. Then mode is access, and also we can put, it's not necessary, negotiate, exit. Okay, the next one we can repeat with number 3, and it's 20. Okay, mode access and negotiate, exit. All right, and in this step we will set up IP address for switch 1, which is in VLAN 1. So we go interface VLAN 1 IP address, and it is, let's check, 10.1.1.2.3. okay, no shutdown, exit. All right, that configure static IP address on host and try to ping to ping. Okay, so go to the PC1 configuration. Here on the global we will define the gateway, so it will be 10.1.10.254, and here for the fast internet we can configure 10.1.10.1 mask. That is that. For VLAN we will repeat. So gateway 10.1.20.254, sorry, interface 10.1.20.2, and this, put the mask, and now we should ping. Okay, let's do it. Command prompt, ping 10.1.20.2. okay, and here it is. So it is working, and we can do it here. Confront ping 10.1.10.1, and here it is. Okay, so the job was done well. Thank you for watching this video on our Ccna Practice Lab course. I hope you found it informative and valuable. To continue your learning, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of question or comments, please leave them below. Also, for this topic, I will recommend you some other video clips from YouTube, so you can learn some basic stuffs. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.